hey there, it's Ben Peters with Dwell Realty Partners and Mission Real Estate Group. I got another listing hitting the market today, and this one, it's a good one, guys. You guys are gonna wanna come check this out. Follow me. Welcome to 16970 Huntington Path in Lakeville, Minnesota. Walk into the house and there is a ton of natural light in this house. The kitchen has been totally remodeled with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and stone backsplash. Really, really cool kitchen. What's great about this house is there's 4 bedrooms on one level, so it's great for families, so you're always within earshot of your kids. But you go down to the basement and you get a nice big living space with another bedroom for that kid who wants a little bit extra space. Probably the coolest part about this house is the big, beautiful deck off the back. Literally one of the biggest decks I've ever seen, and it's really great for those beautiful Lakeville sunsets. All right, so that's the house. Tell me what you guys think. Drop me a comment below. Send me a personal message if you'd like to see it in person. And as always, share this with your friends. Put it on their wall, tag them in it, all that good stuff. Until next time, see you guys later.